Want to create a stunning professional profile picture effortlessly? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to do it using picofme.io. Let's get started. First, go to picofme.io and upload your picture. Adjust the zoom in or out as needed. And if you want to rotate the image, rotate it. Click on Next. Wait a few moments while the image processes. Once done, it's time to choose a canvas. Select a style that suits your needs, whether it's color, bright color, professional, or other available options. Here I'll choose the professional style and then click on Edit. Now let's refine the image further. If you want to transform it, make adjustments accordingly. You can change the background, add a filter, or apply an outline. When adding an outline, select a color and adjust the thickness to your preference. Next, you have the option to add a shadow if needed. You can also select a border and add a layer if required. And that's it. You've just created a high quality professional profile picture in a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.